Welcome to Baby-Led Weaning recipe. If you haven't watched the previous video, brush up on the basics of how to know when the baby is ready to start solids. This video holds immense importance in this series and it is a must watch. When it comes to baby-led weaning, there are some general do's and don'ts to keep in mind. BLW is an approach to introducing solid foods to infants that encourages them to self-feed and explore various textures and flavors. First, let us talk about the do's in BLW. Number 1. Wait until your baby is ready. BLW is typically started around 6 months of age when the baby can sit upright with minimal support, has good head control and shows an interest in food as we have seen in our first video of this series. Number 2. Provide a wide range of healthy, age-appropriate foods to expose your baby to different flavors, textures and nutrients, but not at once in one meal. You can introduce different foods gradually. Choose one food to start with and plan to offer only one food at a time. Vary the textures of food you offer. Offer water in straw cup or a small open cup. Number 3. Encourage self-feeding. Set them up for success with a high chair that allows them to sit up straight and has foot support. Allow your baby to feed themselves using their hands or utensils appropriate for their developmental stage. Let them explore the food even if they get messy. Number 4. Provide safe food choices. Ensure that the foods you offer are safe for your baby to eat. Cut foods into appropriate sizes. Avoid small, hard or choking hazards and be cautious with foods that may cause allergies. Number 5. Create positive eating environment. Sit with them as you offer food. Eat together as a family whenever possible. Offer a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere, allowing your baby to participate in mealtime with the rest of the family. Check your own expectations of what will happen and simply allow your baby to take the lead. It's really important to give a positive sign whenever you offer a food. Your facial expressions always do wonders. Whenever I provide food for my daughter, I used to say it's yummy and delicious and I have a positive face reaction. Sit with them and eat whenever you are offering food to them. Even if it is not a meal time for you, have some food along with your baby and your baby learn to imitate you exactly what you do, and it works that easy. Now we'll discuss about the don'ts in BLW. Number 1. Force feeding. Avoid spoon feeding your baby or pressuring them to eat. BLW focuses on letting the baby take control of their eating pace and quantity. You can use preloaded spoon instead. Help them to take food in a spoon and offer them. Let them learn to take spoon to their mouth. Number 2. Offering unhealthy foods. I know that parents are always away from this unhealthy food. Let me remind, this comes under don'ts. Stay away from foods high in salt, sugar or unhealthy fats as well as processed or fried food. Focus on providing nutritious options to support your baby's growth and development. We'll talk about the foods you need to avoid while doing BLW later in this video. Number 3. Leaving your baby unattended. Always supervise your baby during mealtime to ensure the safety. Number 4. Introducing solids too early. It's important to wait until your baby is developmentally ready before introducing solids. Starting too early may increase the risk of choking and digestive issues. Number 5. Getting discouraged by mess. BLW can be messy, but it's a natural part of the learning process. Embrace the mess and provide a safe and easy to clean eating area for your baby. Believe in the process. You will not get mess after maximum 2 years of this journey. Now we'll talk about the foods to avoid serving while doing BLW. Number 1. Foods that are anything hard, sticky or crunchy like raw apple or carrot, whole nuts, crackers or a big spoonful of peanut butter or any other nut butter needs to be avoided. Number 2. Added salt. Number 3. Cow's milk. Cow's milk is difficult for kids under 1 to digest, but plain yogurt is fine. Number 4. Added sugar. Baby doesn't need it. Number 5. Honey, to avoid the risk of botulism. 6. Super slippery foods that would be hard for baby to hold, which can be frustrating for the baby. These are the do's and don'ts in baby-led weaning. Remember, every baby is different, so embrace the journey, stay attentive to their needs and celebrate their milestones along the way. We'll see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button and enable the notification so you never miss an update. Share this channel to other new parents who seek BLW South Indian recipes. Until next time, happy weaning. Bye-bye.